Why do so many projects fail? It usually comes down to a few common but costly mistakes that add up. Lack of planning, mismanagement, not using the right tools, and failure to adapt scope creep can easily throw any project off track. But avoiding them in your project isn't rocket science either. Today, I'm here to walk you through the common project management mistakes you should be careful of to make your project super successful. Let's start with a question. Have you ever planned a trip without knowing the destination? I guess the answer is no. You need the same clarity for your projects. A common mistake in project management is not defining the goals and objectives of the project. Before you even start, take a moment and ask yourself what exactly you are trying to achieve. Then outline your project and define its goals clearly. Once you know what to achieve, you can focus on the next question. How? You know the success of any project heavily depends on the person in charge. A great project manager or team leader doesn't just manage tasks and teams, they inspire, motivate, and drive results. Because they know how to structure a plan, allocate resources wisely, and turn challenges into stepping stones. After defining your goals and choosing the right project manager, the next move is getting the right team member on board. You can provide all the resources and guidance, but without a skilled team, delivering on your promises becomes impossible. This is why you must choose your team members wisely. Every team member you pick must bring the skills and expertise needed to move the project forward. With a solid team and clear goals to achieve, the missing piece is smooth collaboration. A project management tool can fill the gap for you. If you are managing projects in WordPress, FluentBoards is the ultimate choice. It brings all your project information to one place easily on the go. You can divide all your project work effortlessly, task by task. Each task will have its own assigned members, completion date, priority, and resources to get it done effortlessly. You can even bring other stakeholders in your project boards to make sure everything is going exactly the way you have planned. Besides, you can manage their roles to make sure only they get to see what they need. FluentBoards even allows you to manage your project from the front end. Simply enable the portal and all your backend operations vanish while the other options remain the same. With all that, instant notifications can keep them updated about each change and progress in your project, which is something that will surely keep your projects on the go. Another common mistake is not dealing with sudden changes. Your projects may require a last-moment modification, upgrades, or changes. You must be open to it. Communicate with everyone involved in it, and can take place instantly between all to keep things sorted in real time instead of showing resistance to these changes. That's how, with strategic goals to achieve, a perfect man to lead, and a project management tool that is packed with everything you need, your project success becomes just a matter of time. So don't struggle with project success anymore. Avoid these mistakes and gain complete control over your projects with FluentBoards today. Try it now.